Frequent flyer programs are a cornerstone of modern travel strategy, shaping how travelers accumulate miles. This comparison article tests 5 widely circulated frequent flyer program products, including author-led guides and Kindle editions, through a consistent framework that assesses clarity of guidance, actionable strategies, breadth of program coverage. Product number 1. Mileage Pro, the insider's guide to frequent flyer programs. Mileage Pro offers a concise, insider-level perspective on optimizing frequent flyer programs, credited to prominent authors Randy Peterson and Tim Winship. The product positioning emphasizes practical insider tips and program snapshot analyses, though pricing is not disclosed. The guide appears to target travelers seeking actionable advice without excessive theoretical framing, leaning on established industry voices to distill best practice redemption and earning levers. In use, Mileage Pro seems to prioritize actionable steps and real-world scenarios, such as strategic mileage earning across common airline families, leveraging transfer partners, and identifying high-value redemption windows. Its strengths lie in its concise, authoritative tone and the credibility of the authors, which can help readers navigate program changes and occasional gotchas. Product number 2. Strategy in Airline Loyalty, Frequent Flyer Programs. Strategy in Airline Loyalty by Everett R. DeBoer is a Kindle edition priced at $134.23, positioning itself as a premium analytical framework for understanding airline loyalty programs. The book delves into structural dynamics of loyalty ecosystems, including optimization of status, earning power, and redemption mathematics, and is tailored for readers who want a rigorous, data-informed view of loyalty economics rather than surface-level tips. From a performance perspective, this title excels at modeling loyalty program mechanics such as tier thresholds, earning multipliers, and partner network synergies, while offering strategic decision rules that can be applied to real-world travel plans. The user experience benefits from a robust theoretical foundation and potentially helpful frameworks for evaluating new programs as they emerge. However, the relatively high price point may deter casual travelers, and readers seeking rapid, bite-sized takeaways may find the treatment dense. Product number 3. Unlocking Frequent Flyer Miles, Tips for Maximizing Your Points. Unlocking Frequent Flyer Miles by Chris Bugaxis is a Kindle edition offered at a zero price, presenting itself as an accessible entry point for maximizing miles and rewards with a $0 entry point. The publication foregrounds practical tips to stretch points, optimize transfer opportunities, and chase high-value redemptions across common programs, with a focus on maximizing overall return on travel spend. The zero-price format makes this book highly accessible, which is a strong competitive advantage for new travelers. In practice, Bugaxis tends to aggregate broadly applicable strategies that work across multiple programs, including transfer partnerships and timing redemptions around peak availability. Product number 4. The Official Frequent Flyer Guidebook, the Essential Frequent Traveler Program Guide. The Official Frequent Flyer Guidebook positions itself as the essential guide for frequent travelers, authored by Randy Peterson. The descriptor suggests a comprehensive resource for core concepts, rules, and best practices across major programs, potentially offering a centralized reference for loyalty navigation. Pricing is not disclosed in the provided details, but the format is indicated as a guidebook-type resource, likely aligning with conventional loyalty education content. From a usability angle, this guidebook likely emphasizes canonical program rules, milestones, and practical tactics for achieving status and maximizing redemptions. The user experience could benefit from a clear glossary, index, and structured program-by-program comparisons. However, the lack of explicit price information in the data makes value assessment challenging. If priced competitively, it could serve as a foundational reference. If priced at a premium, readers may compare it against premium strategy texts to gauge incremental value.